Hey, I've been hearing a lot about multi-cap funds. Could you explain how they work?
Absolutely. Multi-cap funds invest a minimum of 25% each in large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. This creates a diversified portfolio that adapts to market conditions, offering both growth potential and flexibility.
So it's like investing in big, medium, and small companies all at once.
Exactly. By spreading investments across different market segments, you balance risk while tapping into opportunities. Plus, the fund manager can adjust the portfolio as needed, depending on market movements.
That sounds like a great strategy. Thanks for explaining it so clearly.
Anytime, feel free to reach out if you have more questions. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.